Alright, now we're in the old Walmart parking lot. There's Peebles and Dunhams. They're eating food, and there's seagulls that are stupid and evil. Yeah.
Okay, watch it. You showing it? Well, that was great. Do it again.
Where does it even go?
I want to go it like that way. Okay.
They're so stupid. They don't even move. You should chase them around with the truck. Like be throwing French fries, put some French fries on the hood, and then drive around.
I like food.
I'm going to Taco Bell. Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper!
I like Dr.
Pepper of Doctor!
Like, that's not funny, dude.
There's so ridiculous. Oh, there's one who's got it! Oh, he gobbled it up. Eat it up.
Well, I like doing more. Eating them or watching the seagulls eat them.
I think we should put a screw in one of them.
See how close we can get them. See if they can get them to eat on my hands. Here, give me the phone. I'm too scared to get close enough.
Come on, steal my phone.
See a little French fry down there? They're trying to get that French fry. But they're too scared. A bunch of seagulls. Dude, they're like so close, but they won't do it. Get the French fry, get the French fry. Ah, you got the French fry! Somebody's gotta get the next one. There are two chickens. Here you go.
They're two seagulls.
They're two seagulls.
Okay.